police have conducted raids at various places to find Honeypreet. We have the Commissioner of Panchkula with us. So first of all, tell us, don't you think it's shameful that for 1 month Haryana police has been conducting raids at various places and Honeypreet is at national capital? The Delhi police has not been able to arrest her, and neither the Haryana police had any clue, sir.
See, it's not a matter of being shameful when you have somebody as an accused and the accused goes into hiding at one particular location. To that extent, I mean, it would also be equivalent to say that the media all over the country has also not been able to locate her. It is our duty to go and try our level best to find any accused that is on the police radar. And it is incidental that we have not been able to arrest her so far. But at the same time, we have been able to arrest many of the other accused. In fact, there are more than about 1,000 people who have been arrested in different cases regarding to the Panchkula violence.
You had informed the Delhi police there was a lookout notice. Don't you think that Delhi police is also at fault because she was in Delhi? She could have been easily traced by Delhi police?
That is what you are saying now, because whether she was in Delhi all through this period or she is in Delhi only for yesterday, as the lawyer of the accused person has claimed, to say where she is located, well, that will only be possible once we have the accused with us and the interrogations follow there.
What next, sir? She's applied for the transit bail. What is the brief that you've given to the lawyers who will represent you in the High Court?
That's a matter which will be represented only in the court. I will not be able to share that with them.
Do you want the custody of Honeypreet or you want that she should be granted bail, sir?
No, we definitely want the custody of Honeypreet.
And what are the main charges? Is inciting violence in Panchkula or there is something else also, sir?
There are a whole lot of issues which we want to find out about the reality. It is only when the accused is with us and the interrogations follow, we will be able to tell about that.
You heard the commissioner categorically saying that they will oppose the bail of Honeypreet in Delhi High Court. This is Vishal Munga, Times Now, Panchkula.